Today we're going to go over how to shade these two kinds of different objects. Again, you can use a multiple range of both of these kinds of styles, or you can just pick one. We do need to be considerate of where our light source is. I'm putting mine in the corner. The first way of shading I'm going to use on this coffee cup, where I'm going to cover the whole thing in a gradient and just ignore my detail lines. Detail lines are just a fancy way of saying what I've already drawn within this object. I'm already darkening just to get that gradient. I'm focusing on how to make sure to go dark and then all the way light up to the top. When you blend with your finger, you're losing all of the nice layers that you just created, and you have turned it into one solid gray tone. I need to see a shadow, mid-tone, and highlight. So I'm going back in, just changing up my pressure with a normal pencil, and then we're going to switch over with a black colored pencil. I'm switching over to my black colored pencil. This is the most and have to step, just so that way I can see that range of highlight, mid-tone, and shadow. And then you are done with all the final steps. The second way you can do this is a little bit different. You will be shading within the shapes that you see within your object. So I see the bottom as a shape, so I am making a gradient from dark to light in each shape depending on my light source. I am now moving to the next shape that I see and adding a dark to light, and now my next shape that I see to dark to light. I'm checking to see if I got all shapes with a gradient. I am blending with my finger, but you have lost all the range of dark to light. So I am still going to use an eraser to get back a highlight that maybe I'm missing, and a black colored pencil to kind of go back into each shape and just darken my gradient, my light to dark, within my object. Again, I'm adding it in here, and this is just simply layering it. I'm adding a shadow at the bottom, and then I'm going to add another shade right there, and you should be starting to see that object pop out and give more depth because you see a dark range of mid-tone and white. But other than that, you're done.